Imagine having 9 powerful websites that can save you hours of work, improve your content, and even do things you didn't know were possible. In today's video, I'll show you 10 secret websites that are 100% worth bookmarking. And I'll also give you a quick tutorial on how to use each one. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 7. Let's get started. First, audio. This website lets you upload and manage audio easily. How to use. Open the site. Click Upload or try for free or Join Now for free. Let's click on Join Now for free to sign in or sign up with Google or Facebook. Let me sign in with Google account. Add your audio file. Select category, music, podcast, voiceover, sound effects, etc. Click on Continue. And wait for the upload to complete. Click on Convert Audio. Choose your format, MP3, M4A, WAV, or FLAC. Add your file, convert, and download instantly. Maximum file size is 500 MB and audio maximum audio length is 20 minutes. This is perfect for podcasters and voice creators. Next, Voicebox. This is an AI voice generator that can create realistic voices. How to use. Visit the site. Download the app. Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. I'm going to download Windows. You can scan the downloaded file before installing. Let's proceed. Install it. Create profile and start generating voices. Great for faceless YouTube channels. Next, Trianglify. This tool creates stunning geometric backgrounds in seconds. How to use. Open the website. Adjust colors and pattern size. Click Export and then hit Download version of your choice. I choose Download Low Residential Preview. It will download to your device instantly. Perfect for thumbnails and wallpapers. Finally, there is paid plan for higher export, PNG and SVG. Next, DocuPub. Need to convert files fast? This tool does it instantly. How to use. Upload your file. Choose format, PDF, Word, etc. Choose a delivery method, email, a link, or conversion in browser. Click Upload and convert. Download your file and save it to your device. Saves time for students and office work. You can also use it to compress PDF, merge PDF, and resize or scale PDF. Next, TextCleaner. This removes messy formatting from your text. How to use. Paste your text. Select cleaning options. Click Clean. Copy the result. Perfect for bloggers and writers. Next, Nero AI. This AI tool can enhance and restore images instantly. How to use. Select Enhancement option. For instance, face enhancement. Upload your image. Let AI process. Download HD result. Perfect for fixing blurry photos. Next, Wormhole. This lets you send files instantly without email or WhatsApp. How to use. Upload your file. Wait patiently for seconds for it to upload. You can copy or share the link. Share with anyone. Let me copy the link and paste in my browser. It will display the same way on a receiver's device. The receiver can download the file instantly. Fast and secure file sharing. Next, Screenshot Guru. This tool captures clean screenshots from any website. How to use. Copy and paste website URL. Check the box "I'm not a robot." Click Screen Capture. Sign up to download screenshot. Great for tutorials and blogging. Bonus, which is the last one, Cleanup.pictures. This AI removes unwanted objects from images like magic. How to use. Upload image. Brush over object. Watch it disappear. Download result. Perfect for editing photos quickly. If you found these websites useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech content. Also comment below, which website shocked you the most? And trust me, I've got even crazier websites coming next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.